Now, your Storm Track weather with meteorologist Eli Millard.
We've seen several severe thunderstorms in our northern counties, mainly a hail threat so far. All the tornado threats have stayed off towards our north and our south, and now seeing some thunderstorms develop on our Holton cam west of Holton towards the north as well. None of those storms are severe until you really get to Brown and Nemaha County, really towards the Kansas and Nebraska border. Looking west from Topeka, quiet right now. Our western counties are behind the dry line. Their threat is pretty much done for today. Watching our eastern counties over the next several hours for some thunderstorm development. Current temperature is 79 degrees, almost a 20-degree difference, well, over a 20-degree difference from where we were 24 hours ago, really cranking in that moisture and that warmer air, fueling that chance for storms throughout this afternoon and evening. Feels like 80 degrees, winds out of the south, 21 miles per hour, bringing that warmer air in. And throughout this afternoon and this evening, watching that chance really primarily our eastern counties once again an enhanced risk for severe weather, possible tornadoes that dealt with these storms, gusty winds, large hail. Already seen large hail in Nemaha County and seen plenty of tornadoes off towards our north and often towards our south. Nothing right now in northeast Kansas. See, we are still in a tornado watch for until about 9 o'clock. Our only severe thunderstorm warning right now, including all of Brown County, and tornado warnings off towards our north and tornado warnings off towards our south. Right now, though, any tornado warning will not affect northeast Kansas. As of now, watching storms developing over the next hour or so. Turning our head also towards Saturday. Saturday, the ingredients look to be a little bit better for Saturday, so maybe a more impressive widespread day on Saturday afternoon and evening. A chance for tornadoes again, large hail, and damaging winds. Again, all modes are possible for tomorrow. Another day that you need to be weather aware as this active pattern really continues throughout today and into the weekend as well. So have that those severe thunderstorms in our north and eastern counties, and that tornado warning just south of our viewing area towards Iola. That tornado warning has been on that storm for quite a while, and these storms have been rapidly developing, shooting off towards the north, and then exiting the state, and then becoming tornado warned, and seen, well, all these storms, well, towards eastern Nebraska, a tornado emergency in Lincoln and Omaha. Already seen several pictures of that, lots of damage. That just shows how strong the system is, and it's not to be taken lightly. So we're really watching these storms for the next several hours as our storm system now really centered. You see that spiral motion right there. Here is our storm system. That's moving off towards the north and east. That gives us our risk throughout tonight. And the one off towards our west, another dip in the blue lines. That gives us a risk for Saturday and early on Sunday. So let's go ahead and time this out for you. Well, Future Track starts tonight at 6 o'clock, showing thunderstorms starting to develop really in our eastern counties again. Eastern counties are the primary threat throughout this afternoon and evening. Western counties, you guys are pretty much done as that dry line has already moved through, as the dry line really splits down the center of the viewing area, moving through Muncie County into Lyon County. Everything west of that looks to be out of that risk, and by 9 to 10 o'clock, actually done. Quiet throughout tonight, early tomorrow morning. Any plans tomorrow morning look to be fine. The afternoon hours, about noon to 1 to 2 o'clock, watching the development for strong to severe thunderstorms, several rounds of that, especially afternoon into the evening, especially in our southern eastern counties. Something we're watching for. We'll be here, we'll be on air, especially if anything goes south on Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. Also, another risk for strong to severe thunderstorms on Sunday morning, and then watching also possibly on Sunday afternoon and evening, although that chance looks to be a little bit weaker. After Sunday night, we start to finally dry out into Monday morning. We'll go into a little bit of a break throughout the day Monday, and then watching our next storm system that rolls in as we go in Tuesday into Wednesday. Another chance for thunderstorms. It's April into May. It's going to be an active pattern. So tomorrow, 80% chance of those showers and thunderstorms afternoon to evening hours. Saturday, another day to be weather aware, so keep that in mind. 83 on Saturday, 77 on Sunday, a 40% chance of showers and storms on Sunday, primarily the morning hours, but also watching the early afternoon. A break on Monday, and then another chance for storms developing Tuesday night, Wednesday, and into Thursday.
All right, Eli, looks like we got a little bit of leeway there, but also not a lot of time to play with if you're trying to make plans this weekend.
That's right. Saturday is a day that we got to watch. If you're making plans, you might want to just tune in, be weather aware, because it looks like a day that we're going to certainly be watching for.
All right, Eli, thank you. Well,